All right, so on these charts, we got the pump that we needed. Let's take another look and see where we're at and where we need to go. Got a little bit more to go. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about these Bitcoin charts and the whole state of this market right now. We had a beautiful, lovely pump yesterday. I'm sure a bunch of crypto people were doing their little dance. But let's get into these charts. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, leave me a comment of any coins you would like me to check out. It is hunting season. I am hunting for new gems in this market, and I will bring you guys some new gems to this channel very soon. Also check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. got EC merch on there, also got OMI merch on there, beginners courses. You can get to my channel from there, but you're already here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. Check out my NFTs and all that cool stuff. Also, I'm going to be putting more music NFTs on the website. I'm going to be minting more music NFTs also, and the intro song Decentralized. If you guys don't know, that's me on that song. I'll be putting that out soon. So let's get right into this market real quick. First and foremost, let's take a look at this stable coin dominance chart. So look at this, a nice ugly rejection on this chart. Like I was saying in yesterday's video, would be good for the altcoins, and it was. We've seen like 20%, 10-20% across the board on all altcoins. So this thing is still dipping. Getting this rejection is exactly what we needed on this chart, and hopefully we can have some continued downside, and going down to, you know, the another point down to 7 would be another nice pump for the altcoins. So looking for that to happen. As I zoom in on the 4 hour here, I can see that, yeah, it's looking really ugly for this chart. So that's looking really good for our altcoins. So I am watching this chart, stable coin dominance. And if you're wondering how to get to this charts, it's at charts.cointrader.pro, and they have a bunch of crypto charts on there that you can't really find on TradingView, even though it's made with TradingView's API. Let's look at the fear and greed index. So look at how fast this thing turned around. Well, it was a nice 20% pump. So hey, we got 20 points on the fear and greed index. Matches up. Looking at the chart of Bitcoin now, this is the chart that we were really looking at. So it looks like this level right here is holding up. We bounced off of this line right here. We bounced off of this trend line, and it looks like we might be headed back up to that level, that beautiful level of 52k. So I have it marked right here in red, and the reason why I have that marked right here is because if you look at this volume profile right here, you can see that these are when it's big like this, there's a little mountain right here. This is where there's a lot of trading going on, a lot of resistance, a lot of volume right there. When it gets thin, this thing shoots right through it, and now we are in this last little resistance level. I have it marked off right here. I want to see is crossing 44.6 for me to say, hey, we're going to go ahead and give another level up. This box right here is kind of like the main box we need to get over to kind of solidify that we are going back into a more longer uptrend. This little box right here, we had a bunch of trading going on here before. It was a bunch of resistance before we went down. So I mean, it was a bunch of support before we went down, so I'm expecting it to be a bunch of support when we get back up. Going to the daily chart, it's looking good. We're above the levels that I like to see us above. We got a bullish MACD cross right here, which hopefully this lasts longer than this one over here, but let's hope that it pushes us up to this next level of resistance, maybe back into this box in a couple of days or so. But the weekly though is what I'm really watching. So we need to close this week above $45,000. Let's call it 45.3, say $45,300. We got to close the week above there to solidify this pattern right here, solidify an uptrend. I'm already expecting it to play out, but I am still watching it because anything can happen. TA doesn't give you what's going to happen in the future, and a lot of people believe that. It just kind of lets you know probabilities, and the probability of this happening now that we've broken out and bounced here on multiple confluences, this white line here, this pattern here, getting above these moving average is giving us multiple signs of confluence that, hey, the probabilities of us hitting our target is a lot higher now. So that's why I never really that's why I might switch from bullish to bearish from sometimes, because I'm not choosing to be bullish or bearish. I'm just following the trends on these charts. And that was a long-term bearish trend on the weekly, and we're trying to break it and go back up. So that's looking good there. So let me know what you guys think about the market. We still have to get above the 34 moving average on the weekly. We have a MACD that's looking like it wants to cross bullish. That might give us the momentum to get there, so let's keep our fingers crossed for that. Don't forget to leave me your favorite new altcoins in the comment box, and also any altcoins on my low cap gem list. Go ahead and check that out if you guys want to update on that. Also, I hope you guys checked out the Hula Girls NFT. We had the giveaway drawing today. We'll be announcing those winners pretty soon, and you'll be able to pick which giveaway piece that you want. And yeah, a bunch of other cool stuff coming for that project. Y'all know I'm trying to hook it up real nice. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. RIP to crypto roots. Think positive, and positive things will show up in your day-to-day life. Till next time, peace.